Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Becoming an Expat. This is eLearning. And guys, if you are new to our channel and wondering what this channel is all about, kami po ay gumagawa ng video tutorial on how to learn Filipino or Tagalog language with my one and only student, my American husband, Wade Snyder. So, just a short recap of our last video. I made a video of his first lesson, which was the introduction of the abacada or the Old Philippine alphabet. At masaya po yun na video. Kung hindi nyo pa po napanood, you can go back to it. Nasa list po. And so today, our learning goal for the lesson 2 is to introduce to him the vowels or the patinig and the consonants or the katinig in Filipino. And actually, I already made a learning tool for this video, but I haven't showed to him yet. So let's see what will happen. So first is I'm gonna show him the video with the tutorial with the sounds, and then after that, that will be muted, and let's see what will happen. Let's see. Here is it.
A, E, I, O, O. A, E, I, O, O. Mga katinig.
Consonants.
Ba,
Ka,
ka,
ga,
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 ha,
la, ma, na,
na,
pa,
pa,
ra, sa, ta, wa, ya. Ya,
mga pantig, katinig at patinig.
Combination of vowels and consonants.
Be, bo, bo. Ka, ke, ki, ko,
ku,
ko. Da, de, di, do, do. Ga, ge, gi, go, go. Ha, he, hi, ho, ho. La, le, li, lo, lo. Ma, me, mi, mo, mo. Na, me, mi, no, no. Na, me, mi, mo, mo. Pa, te, pi, po, po. La, le, di, do, do. Sa, se, si, so, so. Ta, te, ti, to, to. Wa, we, wi, wo, wo. Ja, ye, ji, yo, yo.
Very nice, son. You did it well. Okay, so that was it, guys. So this time around, I'm gonna mute the video and Wade will try to read first the consonants, the vowels, which are only 5 sounds. In Filipino, that is only 5 sounds. A, E, I, O. But in English,
See, and
there's a lot.
I don't know if it comes across in the video because it's hard for me to perceive the difference between the O and the U.
Okay.
O and U, right?
Okay. So, A is just A. Just open your mouth, A. And E, like the eagle, is just E. And I is also read as E, but with an accent, like E. It's a hard E. So, E, I. And between the O and U, in English, in Filipino, O is the same with English, O. And U is O, but but it's hard with accent. Ooh.
So
So
it's ooh.
yeah. So
Okay.
first, before
on
okay.
the video, it just comes across sounding the same. So I want to discern, for not only for myself but for anybody else who's trying to follow along. It's O and ooh.
Yes, and E and E. Again, you say it again.
And E
And
and O and ooh.
okay, again. So we will do it all the vowels.
Okay.
E,
E,
O,
O,
U. Again, you alone.
E, O, U.
Okay, so this time around, honey, I'm gonna mute it.
Mm-hmm.
And first, he gonna read the vowels E, O. And then after that, right away are the consonants. Consonants in Filipino is katinig and vowels in Filipino is patinig. After those, there would be not a blending yet, but a combination of consonants and vowels. Mga patinig.
E, O, U. E, O, U.
Mga katinig.
Ba, ka, da, ga, ha, la, ma, na, nang, pa.
Okay, let's go back to that.
Na.
Na, and after that is nga. Like you will just open your mouth.
Na
Nga.
and
Na and na. Okay, that one is na. Okay. Wait.
Na and
Nga.
na.
Nga. Okay, again. First, okay. Na.
Na is easy.
Na is easy.
Na.
And the three letters is nga. Nga. Okay.
Nga,
Okay, that's right.
pa, ra, sa, ta, wa, and ya.
Okay, we're done with the consonants or the katinig in Filipino. And now let us combine the consonants and the vowels.
Okay.
Ready? Go! Mga pantig, katinig at patinig.
Ba, ba,
Bi.
bi, bo, bu.
Ka, ke,
ki,
ko, ku. Da, de, di, do, du.
ga, gi, gi, go, gu. Ha, he,
He,
ho, hu. La, li,
le,
li,
li,
lo, lu. Ma, ma,
me,
me,
mi, mo, mu.
Na, ne, ni, no, nu.
Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngo. Well, go back.
Pa,
Pe, pi,
pi, po,
pu.
ra,
Re, ri,
ri,
ro,
ro,
ru.
ru. Sa, se, si, so, su. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Wa, we, we, wo, woo.
And the last one.
Ya, ye, ye, yo, you.
Very nice. You did it, Han. Okay, so we will give an emphasis of na, which is N-A in English, and nga, which is N-G-A. Okay, this one, na, is
Na,
na, and the other one is nga.
na,
Nga.
na.
No, nga.
The-
Okay, okay. So I will read this first. Na.
Na.
And this one is just you open. Nga.
Nya.
Okay, you got it right.
Nya.
Okay, well, the other one.
Na. Nya.
No, honey, you just open your mouth. Nga.
Ah.
Like when the dentist
Embaya.
asked you to open your mouth. Nga. Nga. Again. Na.
Na.
Nga.
Na.
Okay,
Na. Nya.
you got it. Again.
Na. Nya.
Okay. So, this is na, ne, ni, no, no. Right? And this one, nga, nge, ni, ngo, ngo. Okay, let's do this. Read it, please.
Na. Ne. Ni. No. Nu.
And the other one. You open your mouth.
Na. Ne.
Ni,
Ni.
ni,
Ni.
ni,
Ni.
ngo,
Ngo.
ngu. Again, let's do this. Na, nge, ni, ngo, ngo. You just open your mouth without your tongue touching the, like the
Yeah,
ceiling
that's
of
not
your.
as easy as you say.
Nah.
It's not as easy for me as what
Yeah, I
it must be for
know.
you.
Like, who
Nah.
will try it? That's right.
Nah. Ni. Ni. No.
Okay, so I'll make a note for this one. You're having
So before
a
we do
difficulty
this,
between
yes,
the two of
I will.
na and nga.
I'll
Okay,
work
so.
on this between now and the
Okay.
next video.
So guys,
we
it's
go.
really fun. So right now we are just trying to learn. I mean, Wade is just trying to learn on the sounds. I mean, I was actually not introducing to him the foreign, like the borrowed letters, borrowed sounds of the Filipino alphabet, like the complete Filipino alphabet, because he's already very aware of those, like the F, that's in English. I would not introduce that. This is just the basic abacada of the old Filipino alphabet. Okay, guys, so thank you for staying with us. And our third lesson in learning Filipino would be basic two pantigs, or two combinations, two syllables of the consonants and vowels. So it would be one consonant and one. No, I should. Oh, okay. I'll edit this out. One vowel and one consonant, or one patinig and one katinig combination. So
Okay, so please like, comment, and subscribe to my lovely wife's channel.
it's our channel.
And follow along.
Okay. And follow along. Okay, guys. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, I'm speaking in Tagalog now, Han. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aming channel, pwede po kayong mag-subscribe. Just hit yung mayroong subscribe na lalabas in our video. And also click the bell button para kayo ay ma-notify kapag kami ay mayroong bagong video. And, once
Mahal
again, oh, he knows that. Mahal din kita. Okay, guys. Thank you for now. God bless. Bye-bye siya. Paalam.